In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add RSI divergence indicators in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to search for, and how to manage the indicator on your chart so you can keep your trading setup clean and efficient. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. Once your chart is up, move your attention to the top of the screen and look for the Indicators button. This is where all the tools and studies live in TradingView. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. Inside this window, you'll see a few different sections like built-ins, favorites, and more. For this guide, we're going to focus on the technical section because that's where you'll usually find indicators such as RSI and divergence tools. Click on Technical to filter everything down to the most relevant studies. Next, look for the search bar within that Indicators window. The search bar saves you a lot of time so you don't have to scroll through a long list. Click into the search field so you can start typing. Now type RSI Divergence into the search bar. As you type, TradingView will start showing matching indicators. You'll see different versions, often from the community or built-in scripts. Choose the RSI Divergence indicator you want to use and click on it once. As soon as you do, it will be added to your chart, usually appearing in a separate panel below your price candles. You should now see the RSI line along with divergence markings that highlight potential reversal areas between price and momentum. If you want to adjust how this indicator works or how it looks, hover over its name on the chart panel. You'll see a small settings icon appear next to it. Click on that settings icon to open the customization window. Here you can change things like the RSI length, colors, line styles, and visibility. Take a moment to review these options and tweak them so they fit your personal trading style and chart layout. If at any point you decide you don't want the RSI divergence indicator on your chart, you can remove it just as easily. Again, hover over the indicator name, click on the same settings or options icon, and this time choose Remove. The indicator will disappear from your chart, leaving your layout clean. Finally, if you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want to unlock more features and indicators like this, check out the sign up link in the video description. That way, you can follow along with the same tools and layout I'm using.